Assalamu'alaykum, brothers and sisters. How are you? I hope you are fine. I will explain you a diagram that contains 4 types of noun with examples. Let's start. Please read and listen carefully. The first characteristics of Arabic noun is number. The second is case. The third is gender. The last is definiteness. There are 3 types of a noun based on the number. They are Mufrad, which means singular. The second is muthanna, which means dual. The third is jama', which means plural. The types of plural noun are saalim, which means sound plural. Taksiir, which means broken plural. There are 3 types of noun based on the case. They are marfu'. You should watch the previous video lesson or previous blog posting to understand what is rafa' or marfu'. The second is mansub. The last is majrur. Now let's take a look at types of noun based on gender. The first one is mudhakkar, which means masculine. The second is mu'annath, which means feminine. The last quality of noun, it is definiteness. There are 2 types of noun based on definiteness. The first one is ma'rifah, which means definite. The second is nakirah, which means indefinite. Let's see the examples. The example of singular noun is kitabun. The example of dual noun is kitabani. The example of plural noun, in this case, the plural of kitabun is broken plural. It is kutubun. Now, let's observe the example of sound plural with the singular and dual form. The singular form is muslimun. The dual form is muslimani. The plural form is muslimuna. Regarding singular and plural noun, I recommend you to study and memorize the singular and plural form of the nouns in Arabic by getting this ebook. Click the link at video description below to get the ebook and start memorizing singular and plural nouns in Arabic. Okay, back to the lesson. Now let's see the example of ism marfu'. The example is kitabun. The example of ism mansub is kitaban. The example of ism majrur is kitabin. Then the example of ism mudhakkar is kitabun. The example of ism mu'annath is haqibatun. The last quality, the example of ism ma'rifah is al-kitabu. The example of ism nakirah is kitabun. Here are all the examples. You can screenshot this image and write in your notebook so that you understand all types of noun with the examples. That's all for today. As usual, you can browse our blog to study more explanation and examples. Just click the link to read them. Thank you for watching. Wassalamu'alaikum.